नमस्ते, यहाँलाई स्वागत छ मेरो च्यानल लिम्सर्स लेसन्स विथ लाफ्टरमा। र आजको क्लास रहेको छ क्लास 8 को भाइ बहिनीहरूको लागि। र आज हामीले पढ्नेछौँ सेटको बारेमा। आज हामीले चाहिँ डिटेली चाहिँ पढ्नेछौँ, बुझ्नेछौँ र क्वेसनहरू गर्नेछौँ। सो सेट भनेको के हो? तपाईहरुको अनलाइन क्लास चलिरहेको छ होला। स्कुल त अब यो वर्ष त्यस्तै भइहाल्यो। धेरै कुरा चाहिँ तपाईहरुले अब फेस टु फेस सोध्न सक्नु भएन सर मिसहरुलाई। अनलाइन क्लास भइरहेको छ होला। अब त्यत्रो जनालाई चाहिँ गाह्रो भइरहेको छ होला। सो आई एम हियर टु हेल्प यु। केही प्रब्लम भए तपाईले कमेन्ट सेक्सनमा अथवा मेरो पेजमा गएर क्वेसन चाहिँ त्यहाँ ड्रप गर्नुस्। सकेसम्म मैले छिटोभन्दा छिटो चाहिँ तपाईको आन्सर चाहिँ सल्भ गरेर चाहिँ अपलोड गर्नेछु। र डिटेली चाहिँ मैले क्लास 8 को पुरै कोर्स लैजानेछु। र अहिले कहिले एक्जाम हुन्छ थाहा पनि छैन। सो धेरै कुरा चाहिँ अब तपाईले डिटेली धेरै कुरा जानिसकेको छौ, कुनै कुरा छुटेको हुन सक्छ। सो त्यो कभर गर्दै सबै रिभिजन गर्दै बिस्तारै चाहिँ हामी कोर्स भ्याउनेछौँ। So this is the definition of set. A set is the collection of well-defined objects. It is denoted by capital letters A, B, C, X, Y, Z, whatever you like. Its members are written inside curly braces. हामीले चाहिँ सेट केमा लेख्ने? कर्ली ब्रैकेट भित्र लेख्ने। त्यसको एलिमेन्टहरुलाई चाहिँ कमाले छुट्याएर लेख्ने। So this set name is A and its inside there are vowels A, E, I, O, U र सबैलाई हामीले के रे सानो लेटरमा लेख्नु र कमाले चाहिँ हामीले त्यसलाई छुट्याउनु पर्यो कर्ली ब्रैकेट भित्र लेखेर। सो के भन्छ? इट इज द कलेक्सन अफ वेल डिफाइन्ड। के हो यो वेल डिफाइन्ड भनेको? वेल डिफाइन्ड भनेको इट मस्ट बी भेरी युनिक। या सपोज देयर आर सम collection you have collected, like you have collected books, pencil, eraser, sharpener, or in another you have collected pen, rose, and rice, and potato, or apple, banana, mango, grapes. So suppose these are the collections and you have to find out the set. Every collection is not a set, but every set is a collection. So here it says a set is the collection. Yeah, all three are collection. Yes. Now well defined, it should be well defined. त्यो collection के हुनु पर्यो? Well defined हुनु पर्यो। Well defined भनेको के हो? तपाईले त्यसको प्रपर्टी चाहिँ कमन प्रपर्टीले चाहिँ त्यसलाई देखाउन सक्नु पर्यो। Here you can see apple, mango, banana, grapes. Sabai ke hoinharu, fruits ho. So you can say these are the set of fruits. Here books, pencil, eraser, sharpener. These are the sets of stationery item. So you can say the set of stationery item. But what is this? Pen, rose, rice, potato. यो के को collection हो? So it is not well defined. So it is not a set. These are the well defined. Oh, we have the common property. So this is a set. This is a set. So to be a set, it should be the collection of well defined objects. So it's denoted by capital letter, you know this, and its members are separated by commas written in a curly braces. Now the membership of a set. Membership of a set. भनेको त्यो सेटमा त्यो एलिमेन्ट छ कि छैन हो इफ देयर इज द एलिमेन्ट यदि छ भने वी राइट दिस सिम्बल एन्ड इट मीन्स बिलोंग्स टु मीन्स अ मेम्बर अफ दैट सेट र छैन भने वी राइट दिस सिम्बल डज नॉट बिलोंग्स टु इट मीन्स this element is not in the given set. भनेको अर्थ in set A is there O in the set A? इस set A मा O छ भने O belongs to the set A. O is the member of set A. Is there X in the set A? No. So X does not belongs to the set A. Is there Ram Bahadur in your class? If yes, Ram belongs to the class 8. Is there Sanu Maya in your class? Sanu Maya is not in your class, then Sanu Maya does not belongs to the class 8. त्यो छ भने belongs to, छैन भने does not belongs to. You are in my class, that means you belongs to my class. You are in not my class, you does not belongs to my class. Now we will discuss the methods of describing a set. In how many methods we describe a set? So there are 3 methods to describe a set. Methods describing a set. So there are 3 methods. The first one is I call description method. Is there RI or RE? Listing method. And the third one, set builder method. So in this way we can describe the set in description method. In description we describe the properties of the set. In listing method we list the elements of the set. And in set builder method we use the variables and the common properties. For example, suppose your mother told you to go to the market. बाजार जाओ र तरकारी लिएर आओ. के लिएर आओ? तरकारी. So it is the description method. कुन तरकारी के तरकारी कति तरकारी भन्नु भएन. अनि तरकारी लिएर आओ भन्नु भयो. So it is set of vegetables. But if your mother says bring potato 1 kg, tomato 1 kg, radish 2 kg, so this is listing method. She already listed the elements. तरकारीको यो नाम भनेर भनिसक्नुभयो. तरकारी मात्र भनेको भए that is description. तर यो तरकारी त्यो लिस्ट गरेर दिनुभयो, that is listing method. And in set builder method we use alphabet like for variables like x is to x, y is to y, z is to z, a is to a, s is to s. And the common property x is to x is the set of vegetables. So this method is called set builder method. So now the cardinal number of set. Cardinal भनेको के हो? Cardinal भनेको the number of elements contained by a set. एउटा सेटले कतिवटा एलिमेन्ट चाहिँ राखेको छ. So we use the symbol this like this. It means number of set in A. भनेको A भन्ने सेटमा कतिवटा number of elements छ? 1 2 3 4 5. So cardinal number of set A is 5. Cardinal number of set B. The set of principal of your school. How many principal you have? Okay, don't say 2. Okay, don't count the vice principal. Principal is there only one, so it means 1. So there are 1 principal in the school. So cardinal number of set B is 1. Now we will discuss the type of sets. Now we will discuss the type of set tomorrow. Okay, this much for today. र आजको लागि यति नै. र बिस्तारै बिस्तारै सबै कुरा चाहिँ हामीले बिस्तारै सिक्दै जाने हो र आफूलाई चाहिँ पर्फेक्ट बनाउँदै जाने हो. So thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please share, subscribe and comment. If you have any problem regarding any questions, whether you are from class 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, whatever your class is, drop the maths problem and get the answer. Thank you.